In Unior, we are a global supplier of automotive equipment, hand tools and special machines.
We are producing 200,000 parts daily, but couldn't see where we should be focusing our business objectives. And with 85 million data records, getting this insight was taking months. We had to change, and Oracle has helped us do that.
From the moment that we start using Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, we were back in control of our production and our future.
With dashboards updating every day, we have the insights to make the right decisions. We can see what stock we have, how we compare to the competition, and where to focus our spend and sales team.
Since using the Oracle Data Warehouse means from IT perspective and also from the finance and controlling department, the first chance that they do a project without the IT system DBA.
It's been a radical change, and with Oracle, we are not just keeping up, we are firmly in the driving seat.